Ano yun? Video pala yun.
Tapos na kami. Uwian na. Uwian na. Nag-wait na yung husband niya doon.
Talaga naka-ready na yung water.
Oh. Sana all very sweet.
Ang daming mga picture. GB storage.
Nakahabol din siya.
Let's go jogging and walking with our friends and my husband.
I'm not too tremendous resting.
With my friend. And
Ano nga siyo?
the other girls is all the way back.
Pa?
All the way back there. Took a run.
Hi guys! Welcome to Akai's Vlog! Ay, vlogger. Vlogger yan. Hindi ka makikilala niya. Ate ba kaya upload ngayon sa vlog mo?
Okay lang.
Makikita ka.
Sweet na mag-asawa. She is here and her husband is there on the other side. Look at that. They're so sweet. Weaving each other. Run, run, run. We're excited about the fountain. It's raining. Hi.
Naka-video man di ay na. Ang sexy naman niya ang titik.
It's raining. We take a photo, quick photo here. And then one more round. Then go home. Para kami mga bata. Na-enjoy. Nag-enjoy sa katalon. Okay, last round.
Ano yun? Video pala yun.
Tapos na kami. Uwian na. Uwian na. Nag-wait na yung husband niya doon.
Talaga naka-ready na yung water.
Oh. Sana all very sweet. Ang sweet ng husband niya. Agoy. Naka-ready na yung water agad oh.
Because we were busy with our
What are you doing?
picture.
Picture you too because you two are so sweet. Very sweet couple. Okay. Oh, sweet naman.